Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at the problem of to check whether an year entered by the user is a leap year or not. So leap year is a year that is occurring after every 4 years, right? So what we will do in the problem, basically we will be checking only with three values, that is 400 and 400. So here we will be using if else ladder. So what we will look in the first condition, we will check if the year, that is number entered by the user, if it is divisible by 4, if it is divisible by 100, if it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. The second condition we will check if it is divisible by 4, if it is not divisible by 100, then it is still a leap year. In the third condition we will check if it is not divisible by 4 single, then it is not a leap year. The fourth condition and the last condition we will check if it is divisible by 4, if it is divisible by 100, if it is not divisible by 400, not divisible by 400, then it is still not a leap year. So basically what we can say, if it is all divisible by 400 and 400, then it's a leap year. If it is only divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, then it's a leap year. Other than that, it is not a leap year. So how we will code it? Let's try to code. In the first condition we have given, if it is divisible by 400 and 400, all three it is divisible, then it is a leap year. And in the second condition, we will be looking at year is divisible by 4, but it is not divisible by 100. As you can see in the second condition, year divisible by 4, but it is not divisible by 100, then it is still a leap year. The third condition, let's see what we have given. If it is only single-handedly not divisible by 4, only single, then it is not a leap year. The last condition we have taken, if it is divisible by 4, if it is divisible by 100, but it is not divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year. If it was divisible by 400, it was the first condition that we have checked, right? This was the condition that we have checked. So it is not divisible by 400, since this is not a leap year. Let's run this code. So it is asking for an input. Let us say 2022. There is a current year we have given. So yeah, it is not a leap year. Let's give 2021. So it was also not a leap year. Let's try 2020. The output should give it was a leap year, right? Right. 2020 was a leap year. So yeah, it's showing us a correct output. Let's check for another input. Let's say 2015. So it was not a leap year. Let's try for 2012. So it is a leap year. Yes, right. Let's try for 2010. It is not a leap year. Let's try for 2008. So it was a leap year. So as our program is running fine, so this is the logic we have implemented. That is, the first we have checked for 400, 400. If three are all divisible, that is a leap year. If the second condition is, if it is divisible by 4, but it is not divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. If it is not at all divisible by 4, then it's clear cut that it is not a leap year. If it is divisible by 400, but it is not divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year, because if it is divisible by all three, then it would have been a leap year. So it is not a leap year since it is not divisible by only 400. So yeah, that's all in this video. If you really like this video, please do like, subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends. Thank you.